might have noticed that last video I got cut off right there at the end. You know why? I got a call on this phone, and my phone decided to stop recording me. I didn't want the call. Do not disturb, that's what I put on there. Don't interrupt me. I'm working. All right. We're on paying off debts. HomeLink 8.7. If you haven't done it, stop this video and go do it. All right, here we go. Number 1, Kendall lent Kel $40 to buy a game. That was pretty stupid because Kel generally doesn't pay off his debts. But let's see. Kel is earning money by washing cars. Not bad. He charges $7 per car. Write that down. How many cars? Oh, and he's out $40 in debt. How many cars will Kel need to wash in order to pay Kendall back? Well, he's going to have to take that $40 and divide it by 7. You're like, I don't know what that is, so make it a fraction. 40 divided by 7. How many 7s fit into that? Oh, 5 of them do. How much is left over? Well, 5 times 7 is 35, so there are 5 left over. So the answer is 5 and 5/7 cars. So what's he, did you put 5 and 5/7 as your answer? What's he going to be washing? That 6th person's car? And he's going to get 5/7 of the way through and he's say, sorry, dude, like, I'm done because, like, I've got my money now. No, he's not. You can't do that. Where's his business going to go? The answer is not 5 and 5/7. The answer is you have to round up. He's got to wash 6 cars. Okay? He's got to wash 6 cars. If you put 5 and 5/7, you ought to just slap the back of your hand. Bad child. Not doing that. They're going to try to make Kel lose his business? Come on. We're in a pandemic. You need the money here. Josie borrowed $65 from her mom for a class trip to Washington, D.C. Now, there's a reason to get some money for something, okay? Buy a game. Come on, Kel. Josie, $65. When she returns from the trip, Josie will start working for her neighbors. Let's not ask too many questions there. She's going to make $8.50 each time she walks their dogs. So, how many times are you going to have to walk the dogs? So your number of models is going to be 65 divided by 8.5. It's kind of obnoxious. How many times are you going to have to do it? So, man, you're going to have to find out how many 850s fit into that. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. 850 and 850 is how much? 17. Okay, I like 17 better. Let's work with 17. 17 and 17 is going to give us 34. Ooh, I don't even like that. 34 and 34 is 68. That's going to be too much. Let's just do this the old-fashioned way and stop groaning about it. Okay, oops, 65 divided by 8.5 looks like this. Can you deal with stuff there? No! You got to get rid of it. So if you're going to get rid of it there, move it over to there, you got to add there. So there's the problem. We're going to work out this problem. How many 885s fit into 650? I don't know. Let's try 5. 5 times 80 is 400. 5 times 5 is 25. So that's going to be 425. Look how fast he did that. That was cool. Well, I know that 50 minus 25 is 25, so I'm just going to put that. So 225 is what I've got left over. Oh, how many 85s and 225? I still don't know. Let's do, well, let's just say 3 might be too many there. But let's do 2 of them then. All right, 2 times that's going to be 170. 5, 55. Oh, can't do that. So 7 and 55 85ths. So it's how many times is she going to have to walk the dogs? She can't walk the dogs 55 85ths of the way on that last one, so she have to round up again. So it's 8. If Josie walks 3 miles each time she takes the dogs out, how many will she have walked by the time she repays? So that's just 8. She did them 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. Come on, that was easy. How many miles? Come on. Was that easy? That was like way easier than part A. What are you thinking? Whatever. It's not my job. Your job is just to do what's in front of you, pal. Langdon. All right, Lang. Let's call him Lang. Nobody goes by his full name. Come on. Lang earns $23 an hour at a law office. Notice that's showing up. It's the career of the day. He works about 55 hours a week. Dude. Yeah, that's the downside, is that, a lot of these attorneys working a lot. That's beyond the $40 a week, 40 hours a week. There are 4 weeks in a month. How much money does he earn each month? So you got to do 55 times 4. Oh, how much money, not how many hours. So let's figure out how many hours first. So we have to do 55 hours a week times 4. So we're finding how many hours there are in the month. 54, so it's 0, carry the 2, 4 to 5, 20, 220 hours. And each of those hours, he's earning $23. So guess what we're going to have to do now? Times 23 is 066. This is a pretty involved study link, man. Home link, 6, 0, carry the 1, 5. Did you see that? Yeah, you can't even see that. I'm not even going to tell you. Okay, I will tell you. How much money does he earn in a month? He earns $5,060 in a month. Langdon took out a $5,000 loan to help pay for college. Would 1 month's earnings pay off his loan? Is that realistic, that you're only going to get out $5,000 for college? All right, we're moving on to the last. Here we go. Practice. Let's practice, shall we? Okay, 4.53. Don't mind that little squiggle. Okay, times 10 to the third. We're going to move it 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. Bam! That's number 1. Or number 4. Number 5, 62.8. We're going to divide it by 10 to the 4th. We're going to go that way now. 1, 2, 3. Oops. 3, 4. I stick it right there and fill in those zeros and wipey. And that's what you should have put. 628 hundred-thousandths. Oh, wow, we did that so fast. Okay, 29.1 times 10 to the 6th. So we go 1 spot here, and then we add 5 zeros. Did you put 5 zeros? Did you put your commas in? You better put your commas in. That is the right answer with the commas. Don't put them without the commas. And number 7. 7,354.2 divided by 10 to the 2nd power. Oh, that's easy. Just go 2 spots over. Bam! That's the study link. No more math. Bye-bye.